Hello everyone, my name is Professor Leo and today I'm here to teach about how to create add-ons or plugins in Godot. In my case, I'm using Godot 4.4 at the moment. Okay. And to start off, let's start by going to Project Settings, Plugins, and click on where it says Create New Plugin. In this case, I'm going to name it Test Plugin, something like so. Test_plugin. We can give it a description of what it's going to do. The author name, let's say Professor Leo. What's the version? 0.1 maybe. If it's GDScript or C#, I advise GDScript at least for the creation of the add-on, because C# is a bit volatile at add-ons at the moment. And now if we go into here and say it's going to be called main.gd, here it is. I can create it. It will then create a new folder in my add-ons folder called test_plugin, which is the folder I assigned to it. And it has a main GD and a plugin.cfg. If we open the plugin.cfg in the script menu, it will say test plugin, empty description, created by Professor Leo. The version is 0.1 and the script that it will load on default is main.gd, which is this one. So from here on out, you can basically do anything you want with the plugin. Say, for example, if you want to create one of these windows like I have here on my dock, you just need to first create, for example, a scene. Give me a second. New scene, user interface. You can say it's a control. And from here on out, you can basically say it has a label. Just say this is a test. Okay. You then save the scene. You can even save it on the test plugin folder. In this case, it's advised because this way, if you ever need to copy it over to another project, it's already in the project files. So now I saved it as control.tscn, which is the scene file. And if I go into my main GD script, I can then say this is a tool, it extends editor plugin. It will have a var doc. It's basically just a simple variable to assign our doc to. On enter 3, we initialize our doc, which will be doc equals preload res addons test plugin control.tscn and instantiate. There we go. This will basically assign an instance of our scene into our doc variable. And from here on out, we can just say add control to doc and specify where we want it. For example, left BL should be left bottom left of this part. Bottom right should be a different part of this. For example, if I say left bottom right, like so, and say it's going to be the doc there. And besides that, in the exit tree, we need to then do the cleanup for if the plugin gets disabled, we want to clean up the memory. So remove control from docs, specify the doc, and say doc.free to basically delete it. And now if I go into my project settings, we'll see the test plugin is enabled, but it's not exactly loaded with the tab. And now you can see that it is. Sometimes you need to reload the plugin in order for it to appear. But as can be seen, now it says this is a test. And yeah, that's basically our tutorial for today. I wanted to make a short tutorial on how to create add-ons because it was a highly requested tutorial by my chat. So there we have it. So yeah, have fun with creating your own set of plugins. And I'll see you guys on the next tutorial.